Friend, today I have Lexus GS 300 2008. Customer complaint, no crank, ignition switch on but engine is no cranking. Let's diagnose and see the customer complaint. No crank. Customer complaint confirmed. No crank. Push button green light is also good. When you press the brake, when I press the brake, green light also eliminate from red to green. It's when brake switch is good. How to check step by step if Lexus GS IS 2008 and up model. Same problem. This is the common failure for Toyota Lexus GS and IS. First thing first, I test the starter from the starter relay and battery. Battery voltage is good or not. If the battery voltage is good, then test the starter relay. If problem in the starter relay is 4-pin relay. Relay 2 wire for control side and 2 wire of the relay to the load side and starter. This is the starter relay. Small relay, starter relay, the first one. Battery voltage is good, 12.70 plus. It is good. Its mean battery is good. I check the starter working good. If starter is working good from the relay, you can check another electric issue. You can see the start relay voltage is also good, main voltage starter relay, and the another wire of the starter last pin goes straight to the starter. When I put the tester in B positive and direct the wire, bypass the wire, no crank, only spark. It's been problem in the starter. We confirm problem in starter. You can test easy. Starter problem, electric issue. In this situation, we have problem in the starter. Only spark but no crank. Starter problem 100%. I have two starters. This is used one from junkyard, and this is old one removed from the car. Problem in this starter. Before fix the starter, we test the starter, this one. If working good, then we will fix. Starter working good. Okay. How to fix the starter. Car is good cranking. Thank you for watching. This is a common failure for Lexus GS IS 2008 last model. You can easy test from the relay. This relay has 4 pins, 2 to control side and 2 main to power side.